Western, the Sizzler.
Oh, that looks so good.
Pretty close. Trying to take this one upstairs, I think.
Oh yeah. Yep. Yep.
But OB's a huge difference because hazard means you can play it from up there even if it stays up there.
Oh, fuck. Oh, too much. Basket's up that way. I've decided to break the hole though. This is one of the strongest headwinds I've thrown in. Special situations call for special measures. We're pulling out the extreme. Wide and low. Wow. Blew my phone over. Par 4 is so tough.
Oh, so scared.
Wow. It's so windy. Wow. Thought I was a bit closer. Oh,
The very bottom of the tree.
that was perfect.
Oh, that helps. Yeah, that's fine.
This is one of the most insane headwinds I've ever thrown in. As you can see. Yeah, and you got to carry at least 115 land safe. Another hole that's not really that attackable in this wind. I think we're just gonna play the Sagara, kind of try get down there, but kind of play for par. I can't get a camera in here, so I'll tell you if I make it. I didn't make it. Definitely over here. This much. That's good. Alright, big par 4 here. Gonna try break it with a big Venom turnover. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I thought my tee shot on the last hole was so much better. I put it in C2 earlier and it was a similar line, so I don't know. This one, quite tough. Par 3. Like a late flipping kind of turnover. Very tough. That's alright. I don't know, maybe like circle 2. I'm just going to go spike highs around all this. Not trying to go far, just kind of playing for position. Yeah, just over the hill.
Oh, that's so annoying.
Big par 5, big headwind. Now we're in a very tough spot. Let's just kind of lay up, try get a birdie.
Oh wow.
Alright, tough birdie considering I can get a drive to somewhere around here. I'm going to try a buzz and riser here.
Oh, that was so good. Is that still going? Oh, it's still.
Oh, that was very good. I think it's safe.
You almost have to bullseye your drive.